this clip we're going to talk about the proper way to lubricate your caliper slides. There's several different kinds of grease available. You want to use a non-petroleum based and non-lithium based lubricant. Silicone is what they make it out of. Pretty simple and straightforward. You can see this pin here is nice and shiny. And if you look inside its corresponding boot, you can see that there's actually some residual grease left from the factory. Just get some on your finger, lube that pin up real good. Just like so. I like to use a small screwdriver, get a scoop of the grease out of the tub, and insert it down into the boot and scrub it all the way around in there. On this particular vehicle, it only has one bolt and one mounting stud. We've lubricated the stud already. We'll take the bolt out of its caliper ear. That's your bolt there. We'll get some Seal Glide, lube that bolt up all nice, and we'll go ahead and reinstall that bolt in its seat on the caliper. Right there. That is the proper way to grease your caliper. As you can see, we don't have an excess of grease that may get on the pad material and contaminate it. There's just enough. The rubber boots look good, still intact. And that's the proper way to grease your caliper.